Next recipe, what we do have here?
We have the steamed fish, the soy steamed fish recipe. So basically in this, I include some light soy sauce. Normally I use the super stock soy sauce, a bit of sesame oil, water, and just put it in a pot and just cook it for a bit. Okay. And the secret ingredient, I put a bit of sugar. Just a little bit.
A little bit of sugar, yeah? Okay, what do we have here?
We have ginger and we have garlic. So put inside the pot. So let it boil for a bit until all the aromatics mix together. And just wait. We have to clean up.
So you need to clean the fish.
Okay, for the freshwater fish, we need to clean up very thoroughly. Because mostly of the fresh water, it has what you call a muddy taste.
Okay.
Muddy taste.
So
make sure you clean all the blood and all the slime.
So this is patin, or
patin.
Pegasus, so call it, or big catfish, Malaysian catfish. But not the normal catfish. This is a special catfish from Bangau Tanjung Termelo. Okay. So pusing sikit, can you show a bit what type of catfish is this? Look at that, this is the catfish. Not sure whether you can find it in the States, but this is nice. This is the fish that we have nicely prepared, nicely clean, gutted. Look at that, and then what's this?
this is we fried some ginger and what do you call that? Garlic.
Garlic, yeah?
But this one is for garnish, yeah?
Garnish, okay, so what's gonna happen now?
So after we have preheated the steamer,
Okay.
now we're gonna take it out.
Okay.
Okay, make sure it's already hot.
It's hot, yeah, that's for sure. And then?
Let's put it up there and steam it for 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Bye, see you later.
Bye, see you later, alligator. Oh, it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. Push it a bit.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. So leave it for 15 minutes.
Okay, after 15 minutes, let us see.
Stop.
OMG, look at the steam. Okay, so signs of knowing that your fish is ready is that the skin has started to peel off, and you can actually see the eyes of the fish.
Great.
It's white in color, so you know that it's nicely cooked. So I'm going to bring it out of this particular thing.
It's a secret.
Okay. So after we have heated this sauce, so what's gonna happen?
We're gonna pour it over.
Just like that.
Yes, just like that. Pour it over.
And then, is that all?
And we're gonna garnish it with the things that we fried just now.
Just not that the hijau. You don't have the
This
green
one.
one.
We have the Chinese chives.
Chinese chives.
Garnish.
Just like that.
Yeah, it's like that. So to make it prettier, just garnish with the chives.
Oh my god, this looks amazing. But you have the whole fish.
Ta-da! Dah siap. Let's go eat.